Bianca. I'm showing you a video that shows how to draw a guardian of Friends Club. Just today, I'm making it on March. Um, today is March 12, and I'm showing you how to draw like this. I'm just gonna show you. Okay? Okay. First, before you start, make a big circle. The biggest circle that you can make. Then next, make like that. Then make a circle inside it, and there we go. Then make like that for her face. I'm doing the bonding of Musa. Just make circles like that. Then and do it that time again. Then the nose to slant into like that. Then make a happy face, like you just made it, and do like this. Here is an after that. Then that one. Make a big hat and her another. Then make another. Okay. You'll wait for 2 minutes so I could show you how. Ate, would you please ready my marker and my crayons? Then after that one, Ate, can you get my crayons and my pen? Any kind of a pen. It's for the camouflage. Then make a long stripe and like that. Then after that, just repeat it for the other arm. The next, don't worry, I'm not yet done. Next. Like a mermaid fin. There. Then at the same time you make circles on her skin. Thanks. Then after that make like that. Then after that make another circle. For her ears, just simple. Make another one. Make a half butterfly that circle her ears. Then make another one. Then after that, make her hair from the top in the hat. Then make it here only. If you want to make it more longer, you can make it more longer like this. Okay, I'm doing it on our sofa, so I hope you can look at the guidance. Wait. Cover your noses. My marker is so annoying. Okay. So after we make it, just follow the lines. Then after that, and even then pick a diesel into the right one. Just make a diesel and double it. That will make it there. Then after that, then follow the blueprint there, then make it and just repeat it. Then after that, get down. Okay. Send up the awards. Show you when I'm done. Almost done. See? Half of a body is the one here, and to make it just okay. Wait for some more minutes. I'm almost done here. There. So I can zoom it. My hand is so tired doing it. Like that. Then bond it. Bond it just a little. Okay. I'm gonna do it one more time. Just wait a little bit more minute. Almost done. There. Cover your nose tight. Okay. Can you still see me? There. Great. Oh, wait. Close your pen. Oh, now you marked my favorite paper a while ago. Oh, close it tight. Okay, I'm almost done. Then we forgot the mark. We're just gonna make it. Okay. There. I'm looking for dark red will help me. Got so many. Oh, there it is. We need to zoom it there for. There. Want me to blow your way. Then make light for the hair. But I remember her hair was blue. So try to color it blue, whatever color you want, you can. Just color their hair in one direction. The One Direction so okay. The One Direction song is very pretty, not good, okay? For those who like Wings Club, congratulations. Okay, there. There. So see it there. 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 After that, for awards, you may decorate yours. I'm decorating it, but not now. Only using glue. That's all. Hey, enjoy spending time with me? That's okay for me. And especially hi for my friends. Hi. Misha, Nina, Javelin, everybody in St. Altitude. This is Bianca, okay? Bye.